Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Rick Reed here, and I am so happy to introduce to you the new series of the Cash Cow Flyers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Baby Panther 1000. Okay, there's also a 2000. The same principles to the 1000 would apply to the 2000, except for you get more leads. Okay, and an extra 3-day 2-night trip and an extra 8-day 7-night trip with that. Okay, if you're watching this on YouTube, what I want you to do is hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get all my updates when I bring something new to you. Okay, my goal is to have 30 flyers. We have up to 22 already. You go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. You can give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Look, if I don't answer the phone, what I want you to do is leave your name, your number, and the best time to call you back and the purpose of your call. And please, when you leave your number, I know many of you are excited. I'm excited about being able to offer you some of the many opportunities that we have with the flyers, but I need you to speak slowly and clearly so I can understand what numbers you are saying. Okay, so just relax and give me the information so I can help you participate in your own rescue. Okay, now let's get into the Baby Panther Panda 1000. Okay, with this flyer, you can easily make 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 a year easily. Okay, all you need is 10 people sending you $1,000, and that's $10,000 right there. Now that's not bad. What if you did that in 1 month? Okay, 2 months, 3 months. That's not bad cash, mailbox money sent by FedEx, overnight only. Okay, now what you're gonna get with that when someone gets started, what the people are gonna send you is $1,000 cash and 5 books of stamps. Okay, 1,000 cash and 5 books of stamps is what the person is going to send you. Now this is what I'm going to send you when you get started. Okay, the mailbox cash money marketing kit. Okay, this marketing kit is so amazing. I just added some new items to the marketing kit. Okay, 50,000 two-sided flyers for $55. Okay, where I get my flyers stuffed in envelopes for me and mailed to me. All I have to do is put my hot bar leads on there and put my stamps on there, where I get my stamps from 25 cents to 39 cents. People, this is amazing. Now, 1 8-day 7-night trip gonna come along with this as a bonus for getting started. Okay, between now and the end of May, I will add a 3-day 2-night vacation pack. All right, now I will also help you with a budget, come up with a marketing plan based on your budget. Okay, so the grocery coupon certificate, the fast food restaurant certificates, I'm gonna let you take a look at that in a second. All right, it's only 2 tiers, 1, 2. See, so a person that is a big spender, they don't have to invest that much, because right now you have an opportunity of having what I call first movers advantage. You only sending it to box 1 right now. When you get started, okay, you're gonna send $1,000 and 5 books of stamps to box number 1. Okay, now when you send your flyer out, your name is gonna go here. So they sending $1,000 and 5 books of stamps to box 1. They send $1,000 and 5 books of stamps to you Your name is here in box number 2 and 5 books of stamps. And of course, each time someone invests in any of the Cash Cow flyers, they help supporting the prison ministry. So we thank you for that in advance. All they have to do is fill out their name, their address, their city, state, zip code, phone number, and email. Now, one thing we also do is the mail runs at different times. So if we get a flyer in Champions and we know your name is in this box, that meant that that's something that you sent out. So we will call you and let you know that Derek just got started with the $1,000 Panda buck, okay? And if you get it, then you call me and let me know so I can put the information together and send it over. If you want your phone number, on your flyer, just let me know. If you want your email address on your flyer, let me know. All right, and we'll put that on there. So basically, people, that's it. It is so simple. It's so easy. All you're doing is mailing this hot new money-making flyer, okay, and getting cash money in your mailbox. Now, I want to let you see what the grocery coupon and fast food restaurant coupon certificate looks like. Now, you're going to get $1,000 in savings. So basically, you're going to select the fast food coupons and restaurant coupons that you want. Here's some of the restaurants: TGI Fridays, Chili's, Olive Garden, Red Lobster, Applebee's, Sizzlers, IHOP, Denny's, Planet Hollywood, Austin Steakhouse, Hooters, Ponderosa Steakhouse. Now let's look at some of the fast food: McDonald's, Hardee's, Quiznos, Taco Bell, Dairy Queen, Burger King, Carl Jr.'s, Jack in the Box, KFC, Wendy's, Arby's, Subways, El Chico's, and so many more places, people. Can you imagine the money you're saving? What about after the school events? You know, after games in the summer league, you taking them to restaurants, getting fast food. How about having a certificate or having coupons for all the food that you need, where you get buy one, get one free, and so many other special offers out there? That's amazing. Now, this is the grocery coupon certificate. This is the one I've had the most experience with, because I went to Walmart and my groceries came up to like 180, 190, something in that area. And when I hand them my coupons that I had for most of the items that I use, and that's the good thing about this, is you can't lose with the coupons that you choose. So you're choosing coupons for items that you want. You follow me? Now, all I did was hand them those coupons, and after they rung that stuff up, my bill came up to like 79 or 80 something dollars. It was a little under 90, I know that much. So I would say about 80 something dollars. People, that's what we're talking about. That's how you put money back into your pocket. That's why with the Cash Cow program, no one out there is giving you what we're giving. Hot leads, at least 1,000 leads, vacation packages. This is taking care of your hotel accommodations, okay? And these are 3, 4, and 5-star hotels, people. This is amazing. Look how beautiful this flyer was created. Look at that. Can you imagine that? So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. You have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are. You can go to www.cashcowprogram.com, www.cashcowprogram.com. Give me a call, 832-906-6411. You have a great day. Your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. Take action now. If you're tired of being broke, this is your opportunity to do something about it. Get this program. Let me help put some Panda cash in your pocket. Talk to you later.